In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a bolt in Fusion 360 that is actually printable. You're going to go to File, New, Hybrid Design, Create. Now we make a sketch. We make a center line like this. Okay, now we turn off the center line function and we roughly sketch the 1/2 of the screw like this. Now press D on your keyboard and add the dimensions of your screw. Once you have all the dimensions, you are going to do one more step, and that is take the line tool and put a little chamfer in here. Dimensions again, 45 degrees. And for me, the chamfer for M20 nut is 4 millimeters, like this. Okay, you are going to finish sketch. Now, click Ctrl and highlight both this section, revolve, and revolve the whole section. Now we are going to add thread. Click onto your section where thread is going to go. What is really important, you got to check modeled, like that. Here you can choose the pitch. I'm just leaving it as it is. Direction, right hand, OK. Now you're going to open your sketch one more time and revolve this small section. This ensures that your thread is going to start properly. Doing this other way around would make a faulty and unusable thread. Now you have the thread, you're going to make the head. Add a new sketch, press P on your keyboard as project tool, highlight these two circles, add a hexagon in here, constraints, tangent, constraints, horizontal, vertical, click on here until the polygon is black. Black means it's fully constrained and it cannot move. Now finish the sketch. Now you're going to use extrude tool and extrude. One more very important thing we got to do is modify, press pull, and make a clearance for this thread to print properly. I'm just going to press pull 0.2 millimeters as it is a good value for my printer, but you can choose your own. Now that we got this, we are going to make a nut. Press new sketch. Add a center line. Mine is 30 millimeters high for M20. Now get the rectangle tool, constraints, constrain it like this, dimensions, M20, and this is going to be the outer part and I'm going to set it to 40. Now I'm going to add these two. These are going to be 30 millimeters. Here and here. Okay, this one is constrained already, and this is going to be 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay, now you're going to press finish sketch. We're going to revolve this, create thread. And as you can see, we got the same thread as we had on the screw. I just check in modeled. Okay. Now we need to do chamfers on here. So another sketch. Project. This one, like so. Create center line. Turn off the center line. You can use the section analysis tool to see inside. We're still in the sketch, so I'm going to roughly just draw the sketch. Okay, now I'm going to constrain this. So this is 45 degree, 45 degree. This should be 16, 16, and this should be 20. And 20. Okay, now you click finish sketch. We're going to revolve this and make a nice chamfer. You can turn off the analysis. And as you can see, we get a perfect chamfer. Now we are going to make sketch in here. P for projection, click here, create polygon. Okay, finish sketch and extrude this. Okay, now we are going to add press pull into here too, minus 0.1, and that's it.